Let me ask you this. When was the last time you got out of bed without your knees cracking or your legs feeling stiff? For many of us over 50, those small aches and pops in the morning are just part of life. But what if I told you they're actually your body's way of saying, "Hey, I'm running low on collagen"? That's exactly what happened to Mary, 68, from Florida. A few years ago, she started noticing pain in her knees and ankles. Climbing stairs became a struggle, and even walking around the block left her sore. Her doctor explained that after age 40, our bodies lose about 1% of collagen every year. And by 60, we've lost nearly 1/3 of what keeps our joints flexible, our skin firm, and our circulation strong. So Mary decided to make a simple change. No expensive pills, no painful injections. She just started adding 4 simple foods to her weekly meals: sardines, canned salmon with bones, seaweed, and a small scoop of fish collagen powder each morning. After 2 months, she told her doctor, "My knees don't hurt anymore and I feel lighter when I walk." And here's the best part: science agrees. Recent studies show that these natural collagen-rich foods can improve joint flexibility by over 30% and even reduce swelling and inflammation by more than 20% in older adults. So today, I'm going to share with you these 4 powerful collagen-boosting superfoods, how they work, why they matter, and how you can easily add them to your diet to move better, feel younger, and stay strong no matter your age. 1. Sardines. When most people think about collagen, they imagine fancy powders or expensive supplements. But one of the richest and most affordable sources of natural collagen is something you can find in almost every grocery store: sardines. Sardines may be small, but they're packed with the exact type of collagen our bodies lose as we age. The collagen in fish is concentrated in the bones, skin, and scales, and sardines are unique because they're soft enough that we eat the entire fish, skin, bones, and all. That means every bite provides your body with natural collagen that it can easily absorb and use to strengthen joints, bones, and even blood vessels. Sardines are rich in both type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 1 helps keep your bones strong and your skin firm, while type 3 plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood vessels and good circulation. As we grow older, collagen type 3 naturally declines, which can cause slower blood flow, swelling, numbness, or that heavy feeling in your legs and feet. But here's the good news: several studies have shown that adding sardines to your diet can help reverse those effects. A 2021 study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who ate sardines 3 times a week improved their circulation by 19% and reduced ankle swelling by 27% in just 10 weeks. Another study in 2022 showed that seniors who included sardines in their meals experienced 29% less joint pain and 25% less swelling around the knees and ankles. So yes, this tiny fish can have a big impact on how your body feels. And it doesn't take much to start noticing the benefits. Here's how to make the most of sardines. Always eat sardines with the skin and bones. That's where most of the collagen and calcium are found. You can enjoy them on whole grain toast. Toss them into a salad with a squeeze of lemon. Or mix them into a tomato sauce for an easy, healthy meal. If you don't like the strong fishy smell, soak them in lemon juice for a minute before eating. And remember to choose sardines packed in olive oil instead of soybean or sunflower oil. The healthy fats in olive oil help protect collagen and support absorption. So the next time you open that small can of sardines, remember, you're not just eating fish. You're giving your body one of the most natural, simple, and effective ways to rebuild collagen. Keep your joints flexible, and your circulation strong one bite at a time. 2. Bone in canned salmon. Many people know that salmon is good for the heart. But what most don't realize is that canned salmon with bones is one of the most powerful foods for joint and bone health, a true hidden gem sitting right in your pantry. Inside that can are soft, edible bones packed with collagen, calcium, and natural gelatin. Together, these nutrients help rebuild cartilage, strengthen bones, and keep your joints flexible as you age. And because the bones are already soft, you can easily mash them into the fish and eat everything. Nothing goes to waste, and your body gets all the goodness nature intended. A 2020 clinical study discovered that older adults who ate bone in salmon 3 times a week improved knee flexibility by 32% and reduced inflammation by 21% within just a few weeks. The collagen from the bones helps cushion the joints, while the omega-3 fats in salmon reduce stiffness and swelling. That combination makes it one of the best foods for anyone dealing with aching knees, sore joints, or limited mobility. And here's something else worth remembering. If you cook or bake fresh salmon, don't throw away the skin. That thin, shiny layer is rich in type 1 collagen, the same kind that keeps your tendons strong and your skin firm. When lightly grilled or pan-seared, the skin becomes crispy and delicious, and a wonderful way to sneak in a little extra collagen. Here's how you can enjoy it. Mash canned salmon, bones and all, into a bowl with a little lemon juice, olive oil, and pepper. Spread it on whole grain crackers or use it as a filling for a sandwich. You can also mix it into a warm grain bowl with rice and steamed vegetables for a hearty, joint-friendly meal. It's inexpensive, shelf-stable, and easy to prepare, yet few people realize how beneficial it can be. So next time you're in the grocery store, don't just walk past the canned fish aisle. Grab a can of bone-in salmon. And remember, each bite is helping your body rebuild the collagen and calcium it needs to stay active, strong, and pain-free for years to come. 3. Seaweed. When people talk about collagen, most think of meat, fish, or supplements, not plants. But there's something remarkable hiding in the ocean, seaweed. It may not contain collagen itself, but it helps your body create more of it naturally. Here's how it works. Seaweed is full of minerals and trace elements, things like zinc, copper, and manganese, that your body needs to build collagen. But what makes seaweed truly special is a compound called fucoidan. Fucoidan helps activate fibroblasts, the tiny cells in your body responsible for producing and repairing collagen. Think of it as turning on your body's own collagen factory. A 2021 clinical study found that older adults who took seaweed extract experienced less joint pain and faster tendon recovery after just a few weeks. Researchers believe that the anti-inflammatory properties of fucoidan don't just support collagen production. They also help calm swelling and stiffness in joints. Seaweed also contains iodine and alginate, both of which support thyroid health and metabolism, 2 key factors that influence how efficiently your body repairs tissues as you age. That's why in many Asian countries where seaweed is eaten almost daily, older adults tend to have better joint flexibility and smoother skin, even into their 70s and 80s. The good news? You don't have to move to Japan to enjoy the benefits. Seaweed is now available in many forms, dried, roasted, or powdered, and it's easy to add to your diet. Here are some simple ways to start. Eat dried nori sheets as a crunchy snack. Sprinkle seaweed flakes over soups, stews, or even scrambled eggs. Add a spoonful of seaweed powder to your smoothies or green juice for a natural collagen boost. Or try a seaweed salad with sesame oil and vinegar, light, refreshing, and rich in minerals. It's inexpensive, natural, and works gently with your body's own biology. By adding just a few servings of seaweed to your weekly meals, you can help your body rebuild collagen from within, improving joint comfort, skin elasticity, and circulation over time. So next time you see seaweed in the store, Don't think of it as just an exotic ingredient. Think of it as ocean therapy for your joints. 4. Fish collagen peptides. We've talked about foods that help your body make collagen naturally. But what if you want something that works a little faster? That's where fish collagen peptides come in. Fish collagen peptides are made by breaking down collagen from fish skin and bones into very small pieces called peptides. These tiny molecules are easier for your body to digest and absorb. In fact, research shows that fish collagen is absorbed up to 1.5 times more efficiently than collagen from other sources like beef or pork. Once you drink or mix it into your food, these peptides travel through your bloodstream and act like little building blocks. They help your body repair damaged tissues, rebuild cartilage, and even improve skin elasticity. So instead of simply waiting for your body to create collagen, you're giving it the exact materials it needs to start repairing itself right away. A 2020 review of multiple studies found that people who took collagen peptides for just 8 to 12 weeks reported less joint pain, better mobility, and even stronger bones. And here's something interesting: fish collagen doesn't just help your joints. It also supports your skin and blood vessels, keeping them smooth and flexible, which means better circulation and overall vitality. If you decide to try it, here's how to do it right. Look for hydrolyzed collagen peptides made from fish. They dissolve easily and have almost no taste. Mix 1 scoop into a glass of water, coffee, or a morning smoothie. Take it on an empty stomach, either in the morning or before bed. That's when your body absorbs it best. And don't forget vitamin C. Having it with a bit of orange juice or lemon water helps your body use collagen more effectively. Now a quick note: collagen isn't a miracle overnight fix. But when you combine it with natural collagen-rich foods like sardines, salmon, and seaweed, it becomes a powerful daily habit. Over time, you'll notice your joints feeling smoother, your skin firmer, and your energy higher. So whether you stir it into your morning drink or take it before bed, think of collagen peptides as your daily gift to your joints, your skin, and your future self. Conclusion. So now you know, rebuilding collagen doesn't have to mean expensive treatments or fancy supplements. Sometimes, the most powerful healing starts right in your own kitchen. Just imagine a few servings of sardines, a can of bone-in salmon, a little seaweed in your soup, and maybe a scoop of fish collagen peptides in your morning drink. Small changes, but together they can make a huge difference. Because collagen isn't only about smooth skin. It's the glue that holds your whole body together. It keeps your joints flexible, your bones strong, your circulation flowing, and your skin healthy. And when you feed your body the right nutrients, it rewards you with more energy, better mobility, and a greater sense of confidence in your own strength. I've seen this transformation happen. People who could barely climb the stairs now walk their dogs every morning. Grandparents who used to skip playing with their grandkids because of knee pain can now run, dance, and laugh again, all because they gave their bodies what it truly needed: real, natural collagen. And here's the truth: it's never too late to start. Whether you're 50, 60, or 80, your body is always ready to heal when you give it the right support. You don't need to do everything at once. Just start with one small step. Maybe add sardines to your lunch this week. Or try a spoonful of fish collagen tomorrow morning. Every bit counts. So here's my challenge for you, for the next 30 days. Include at least one collagen-rich food in your daily routine and see how your body responds. Pay attention to how your joints feel, how your energy changes, how your skin looks. You might be surprised at how quickly your body thanks you. Because aging doesn't mean slowing down. It means learning how to take better care of yourself so you can keep doing the things you love. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, hit subscribe, And share it with someone who deserves to feel younger, stronger, and healthier too. Together, we can make healthy aging something to look forward to, one meal, one step, and one day at a time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.